Introducing our high-precision CNC turned parts with custom service. Our OEM CNC machining turning parts are expertly crafted from stainless steel, ensuring durability and accuracy. With a wide range of machining services available, including milling and turning, we can cater to your specific needs. Our CNC machining centers and advanced equipment guarantee quality results. Experience precision and reliability with our customized stainless steel milling turn parts. Perfect for industrial equipment applications. Contact us today for a personalized quote. 59 words.